Hello, this is linear equations and functions, absolute value functions, example 4. And example 4, we've got this pool table and a pool shot involving the 8-ball, and it's a bank shot going into the corner. And we're going to write the absolute value equation for the path of the ball. See, it's a V going like this. And based on all this information, we should be able to figure out if he makes the shot. So we're trying to write the absolute value equation. It's going to be like this. And the h and the k, of course, the negative h and the positive k is the vertex. And the vertex is right there, 6, 0. So let's get this equation started. We'll have y is equal to a times the absolute value of x minus 6 plus 0. See, the k is the 0, so plus 0, I can just leave that off. Well, that made it a little easier. So we have to figure out what a is, and we're going to figure out what a is by using one of these points. Now, the pocket he's aiming at is 10, 5. We can't use that because we don't know if that's on the path. We'll have to use the 8-ball. The 8-ball is at 5, 5/4. So I'll substitute that in. Y is 5/4 equals a times the absolute value of 5 minus 6. That's negative 1. So 5/4. Now the absolute value of negative 1 is 1. So it's 1 times a, which is a. So we end up with a is equal to 5/4. So our equation is y equals 5/4 times the absolute value of x minus 6. Yeah, I figured out the value of a, and now I substituted it in there to get this equation. So the last question is, do I make the shot? And I'll make the shot if this point satisfies this equation. So I'll be substituting in a 10 for the x and a 5 for the y. 5 is equal to 5/4, and I'm putting in a 10 for the x. And this is 4, so I'll have 5, and we're actually wondering if this equals 5/4 times 4, and 5/4 times 4 is 5. We get 5 equals 5. So the answer is yes, we do make the shot.